If anxiety attack kicks in, don't push it down, don't push it away, don't try to avoid it, don't do anything, don't try to escape it, just surrender to it and ask why I feel anxiety right now, why I'm anxious right now, and then don't do anything, just wait to answer, and you will immediately find out why you feel anxiety at the moment. It can be some thoughts. You have been thinking about something, or you have to do something, or you have a huge workload, or you have to go to sleep but you're afraid that you cannot fall asleep. You have to wake up early but you haven't slept at all. Whatever comes, everything is right and you know it. And then accept the answer and say to that, of course it is stressful if I cannot fall asleep and I have to wake up early in the morning. Of course it is stressful if I have so much to do. It is very stressful if I haven't slept at all and I have to wake up early, and so on and so on and so on. And then surrender to that answer and say to yourself, I can be anxious because of that. That's totally normal to be stressful. That's totally normal to feel bad. That's totally normal to feel stressed. It's totally normal to feel tired. It's totally normal to be worried. And I allow myself to be anxious because of that. I don't see anyone who's not allowing me to be anxious. And I don't force myself either. So I allow myself to be anxious. And now I allow myself to be 10 minutes anxious. And after that, you realize that your anxiety level has dropped and you can fall asleep, or you don't worry so much anymore. Every time you feel anxious, ask why, and then accept the answer and allow yourself to be stressed or worried or anxious because of that. Much love. Take care.